Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly we need to close our Razr device. Then we need to take the cover off. It's not too easy to do, but I hope we can do it. Great. Then we need to insert one part of the brush into the connector. I suggest using an Toothbrush, which you no longer use, because using this tool you can't damage your USB charging port. And we have a very expensive device, so we want to take this device and save. And now we need to clean our device using the wipe or using the piece of paper, and then set up the cover again. It's very important to do right now. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.